Hello everyone friends on the Calabel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer the game to another disk. Here I'll show it on Epic Games and on Steam. In general, if it's some kind of installed game like mine, well, I don't know, OSU, yes. Right click on it, click on the file location, and accordingly simply move this folder to the desired location. Here, for example, is the eDisk. And accordingly we can now just play the game from the eDisk. You see, it started without any problems. But if it's Steam, yes, go to Steam, click on Settings. Library, or rather, 100 storage, yes, storage. Click on the three dots, yes, relative, or rather how. Click add drive here, yes, choose drive C or E, wherever you want. Here you will create a storage, yes, and accordingly transfer, well, the game you need to the desired disk and click transfer. Here, it's the same in Epic Games. Go to your account, settings, download settings here. Here we choose, respectively, the place where the games are installed, change the library, yes, here to the desired folder, and at the same time transfer the games there. If they do not transfer themselves, then click on the 3 points on the desired game, controls, find in the folder, right here. Copy, or rather, cut the game from here and paste it into the folder where you assigned the library. That's all. Bella was with you, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.